गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू बुक्स वैगन। आज मेरे साथ है अभिजीता गुप्ता, वर्ल्ड की सबसे यंगेस्ट ऑथर्स में से एक, और इन्होंने अपनी पहली बुक तब पब्लिश की थी व्हेन शी वाज 7 years old, एंड लेट मी टेल यू, शी रोट अ फर्स्ट बुक व्हेन शी वाज 5, पैंडेमिक के वक्त। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, वेलकम। वी सो हैप्पी कि आप इधर आए हो। हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
I'm feeling very honored to share this stage with some renowned publishers and authors.
यू स्टार्टेड राइटिंग व्हेन यू वर 5, तो ऐसा क्या एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे थे आप पैंडेमिक में दैट यू रोट योर फर्स्ट बुक एट 5, एंड व्हाट डिड यू पुट ऑल इन दैट बुक?
I wrote poems and stories with morals. As such, I was not experiencing anything, but I just needed some time to utilize my creativity in a good manner. And I did not like watching a lot of TV. Going out was prohibited, so I used my time for something productive.
नॉट जस्ट समथिंग प्रोडक्टिव, बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव आई शुड से। तो मैंने सुना है कि आपको बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बनना है, तो तब राइटिंग तब भी करोगे?
I think I could write something related to medical field or just pursue normal writing. Multitasking.
You are a multitasker indeed. Please tell us about your new book, because everybody here is just looking at the cover.
My new book teaches resilience, courage, strength, and a lot of things that will help you later on in life. There are two girls named Clara and Nova, and they set to the unforeseen darkness to actually scoop out the truth about a magical veil of light known as the barrier, but the village elders are not supporting it. So despite their scowl, they are going to set out on an adventure into the unforeseen darkness, and they're going to be amazed by what they will know about the secrets that have been buried deep inside about the barrier.
So you have included so many emotions in this book. So you were always a reader and you wanted to become a writer?
I was always a reader, but I did not typically have a writing profession in mind. I always wanted to pursue science because it's really interesting and I'm really passionate about it.
मैंने सुना है आपको स्टोरीज लिखने के साथ साथ ड्राइंग्स भी करना पसंद है, दूसरों के साथ शेयर करना भी पसंद है। आई वांट आस्क, आपके लिए राइटिंग में सबसे फन पार्ट क्या है? व्हाट्स द मोस्ट फन पार्ट दैट यू एंजॉय व्हेन यू राइट?
Describing the world, the emotions, creating the characters, and inculcating a little morals or something as life skills embed in the story itself.
हैप्पीनेस ऑल अराउंड में, जैसे आपने बोला, बहुत सारे पोम्स है, स्टोरीज है, तो सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन किस चीज़ से मिली?
There are so many renowned authors such as Sudha Murthy, Roald Dahl, Ruskin Bond, Rick Riordan, J.K. Rowling. They have written such amazing books. They're so well known for them, and the books that they have written are interesting. They also teach you so many things, so I wanted to be just like them. So taking them as my inspiration and my idol, I started writing books.
Then tell me, you have mentioned so many authors. Who is your favorite and what's the biggest lesson that you have taken from them?
I think it's Sudha Murthy, because no matter how renowned she is, she always stays grounded, down to earth, never boasts, is very humble, but at the same time, very knowledgeable and wise. So she's my role model.
And congratulations, you hold so many world records. To be honest, it's so overwhelming to watch, you here currently. Please tell me, how do you feel?
I'm feeling very honored, very happy, excited, a lot of emotions at once, but all of them positive.
So I really want you, to give a message to all the children who are actually, wanting to write, because I know in your generation also there are so many children who want to, but they don't know where to start from. So why don't you give them a tip? Where do you start from?
There's no such tip. Only pursue your dreams, chase your goals, never give up, and don't view failures as fatal or life-threatening, but as opportunities and experiences and learnings that you could learn from later in life, that you could use to make your success appear big, and just enjoy the journey. The destination is not everything, and even a good journey leads to a good destination.
Oh my God, she is so inspiring at this age actually. Really, thank you. I am honored actually that you came here and you shared so much of your experiences. I'm really looking forward to your book, and I'm sure everybody is. Seriously, thank you so much for coming here.
Welcome.
And thank you everyone for being here. Please go on and just read this book. Thank you.
My books are also available at bookswagon.com.